Alright guys, this is part 2 of the video of what works, what does not work in Kodi. I decided to separate this because it's a separate add-on, and it's an add-on by a group that people do use, some people don't, some people hate, etc. But we use the service, we like it, and we are talking about Gears TV. First off, I'm not affiliated, I'm not being paid blah 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 by them to make this video or promote it. It's just I like the service. I like the add-on, and it's a great alternative to what's going on besides everything else out there until all that crap gets resolved. They made an add-on that you can utilize that does have movies, that is going to have TV shows here pretty soon as well, and it works pretty great. It's supposed to be part of the package with the Gears TV IPTV service. If you're a member, you're supposed to get it for free, included with your paid subscription. But for now, for the people that want to try it, I think it's going to be free for the end of the year, if that's what I remember correctly from their video. And this is how you install it. So for those people that don't know how to install, or unfamiliar with Gears, you would go to File Manager, you're going to go Add Source, and then you're going to type in their link. It's targetcreates.com/repo. You click on that, name it whatever you want to name it. We'll just name it Target. Hold on. Sorry here. Okay, you'll name it Target. Okay, or name it Repo, whatever. Click OK. Then you would go to your add-on browser. And you're going to go to install from zip, and then find what you named it, and you're going to install the Gears TV repository. Once you do that, it'll pop up, and then you'll have it in there. Where is it? Let me see here. Okay, you go there, video add-ons, and you're going to enable the Sreams R Us. Sreams R Us is the add-on that works. It's a pretty sweet add-on. Like I said, these guys are kind of constantly working at it, provide content, and like they were saying, the live show, with everything going on, why not come together as a community and find alternatives to help out? Because we don't want to get to a point where Kodi's not going to be usable anymore. And so therefore, as of now, and their recent video, and the group, Facebook group, and all that, they're providing this add-on for free. So what you would do is configure it, and the username is Gears TV. Password is Loyal, LOYAL. You click on it, and you can change the view type. We'll do list for this case, and you click OK. And then once that's enabled, and our Kodifire 1 build KF1, we have the section here. They have the launch pad, which is pretty sweet. You have your Gears TV, you have your guide if you're using the service, and the soon to be Reloaded TV, which launches next week. Can't wait to try that out as well. But we're here for the viewing or Sreams R Us, and we'll get right to that. So once you enable that, you're gonna click on it, and then this is what you get. Like it says, movies, or your news will be up here. Movies, your TV shows are still down. They're still adding more content. I think they said pretty soon they'll add all the TV shows. But for now, the movies, you can do all movies, top 5 movies of the week, genres, latest, etc. So let's try this feature here. It's a movie randomizer, and it'll just randomize or generate all these other ones. Remember Mortal Kombat, and you have all the options here. And the great thing about it should be a one-click play. So you click on it, no searching, for all these different things, and it pretty much should just work out of the box, right out of the box. Yep. You can skip ahead. It's an HD, and we'll try. If you want to search a movie, I think they're still adding lots of different movies. So we'll do, like, for example, the top 5 movies of this week. Okay, nothing found yet. I'm not sure why, but I know these guys are working on adding a lot of different things. You can do latest movies. And if you were to click all movies, I think it's gonna load a shitload of all the movies they've added. They keep adding tons of movies. Like I said, it's just a huge database. And the best part of it all, you know, there is an APK out there. You can download the APK, install it that way, or run this through Kodi. And you know, myself, I prefer to run it through Kodi. It's part of the Kodi thing, but it's a good alternative. The reason it's taking long because, like I said, I clicked on that section and it's just searching the latest movies from 2015 to 17, and the way it's set up for a one-click play, that it's really good. Versus, you know, let me click here, wait for this stream to populate, and so on. But like I said, look, everything is in there so far of what they've added. I know they're going to keep adding tons and tons of movies, and then the TV shows, and it's a perfect add-on. And yes, it's a paid add-on, but right now they're offering it for free for the rest of the year, from what I've heard and read on you know, the Facebook group and the YouTube channel, or the YouTube videos they do. Again, you click on it, it plays, you don't have to wait, it's HD, it looks great. So I mean, this is one great thing that the Gears TV team is doing. Why not provide it for the community with everything going on? I know these guys have a bad rap of you know, people don't like them, but hey, I mean, to each their own. You know, I like their service. I like the add-on, and it works. It works great. There's nothing to it. So, with that being said, all you need to do, like I said, is just do the install. You can set up the Gears Launchpad. That's if you have the service. You'll get the guide. You'll get this nice little section. You can just kind of click back and forth. But Sreams R Us, again, you know, like once you sign up for it, or once you download it, I should say, not sign up for it. You download it, you should be able to, let me go back here. You'll go back in here, or however you set it up. Your settings is Gears TV, password is loyal, and it's good until the end of the year. Again, you know, this is a good way to, let's help the community out instead of bash one another. Save hashtag, save Kodi. Save the community, you know, help the devs, help one another. That brings me to the Noobs and Nerds team. You know, like if you're up for it, I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna create an add-on. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do the sections, what kind of movies, what kind of TV shows, and so on. You can utilize their gen template, add-on template, which I'll link to here in the description, and kind of see what's going on with everything. And just like I said, it's about helping one another at this point. There's a bigger issue coming up about here, you know, in the United States, and that's net neutrality. With that coming about, you know, if that does go through, and you know, things would be way different, the way we view things, content, Netflix, Hulu, and so on, if you go the paid route. But not only that, it's going to affect your internet provider. You know, they're the ones that'll be able to tell you can watch this, but you can't watch that. Well, if you want to watch this, you're going to have to pay a little extra to be on the fast lane, which is stupid and ridiculous. You know, let's come together and let's help one another. And again, this is what works right now. Also, with Sreams R Us, on top of everything else I mentioned in the previous video, which was Maverick TV, Bob Unleashed, and a few others. I know Covenant, everyone loves Covenant, but again, it uses the URL resolver, and that does not work at the moment. So best of luck to everyone out there for their viewing experiences. But if you want to try it, give these guys a shot. Again, like I said, it's just free right now, but down the road it's going to be part of the Gears TV paid subscription, and go from there. Anyways, be sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification button to keep up with more future video contents. And again, we're going to be cranking out more material. Check us out on Kodifire.tv and on Facebook as well. And we're just going to go forth and kind of see how this plays out, and you know, help one another. And again, like I said, we will be doing a what do you call it, an add-on shortly, and again, that'll be here on the video. I just have to decide when I have the time to do this, and also to see what sections, what kind of movies, and so forth. Anyways, until next time, people, happy streaming.